Wow, Christina Grimmie, and Imogen Heap, how did you two get in there on our last day across the country?
After Mama revived me, I had a sudden feeling that me and Imogen are going to stay at a beach resort, and then we got picked up by Bodhi's father's RV. And we are going to enjoy the camping vacation that we can never forget about. Right, Darren?
Yes, Christina. Since we're near the beach, how about we watch a movie titled Angela's Galaxy Superstars 1, How It All Began? That movie is from 2019 and it stars Selena Gomez. It's on the TV.
Hey!
There isn't much to say about the first Angela's Galaxy movie. The second was released early in 2020 due to the pandemic of the virus, where the K95 gang were treated like babies, thereby wearing nappies. And the third one is released 1 month ago, thanks to Dish Girls, who filmed scenes in the state of Florida and an end out of Philadelphia. Besides, there are lots of fun places we can visit on our way back to Colorado, like the Grand Canyon Railway in Williams, Arizona, the Royal Gorge Railroad in Cannon City, Colorado, and Iowa 80 in Walcott, Iowa, the world's largest truck stop ever.
Since the Dish Girls have been to many places, even the Appomattox River in Virginia, let's see if we can rent a fishing boat that can sail along the Caden River in Caden County, Florida.
And that is?
Caden County Riverbank Fishing Boat Rentals in Lake Worcester, Florida. Ellie, can you enter that in the GPS navigation unit?
Where do you want to go today?
Caden County Riverbank Fishing Boat Rentals.
Proceed on Interstate 19 for 13.5 miles towards exit 94, Aspen Road, Pandora Springs, Milton.
We're going to Caden County in A. Oh. I have a Skype call with the other Angela, Catherine, Nola, Ariana, Tanner, and Sonia. I'm going to answer it. Hi Angela D, Catherine, Nola, Ariana, Tanner, and Sonia. I am so glad to be on Skype for the first time. My parents threw Discord out the window because of all the trolling, drama, and stuff like that. But I'm heading to Caden County to ride a boat along the Caden River. Do you all like that idea? Can I recommend this to you? Angela, what do you approve of the Caden River boat tour? Even my friends and my foreign friends appeared. It's a shame that the Reese family had to wait their turn, but that's okay, we still had the chance to get the pontoon boat first. When we return back to the dock, it will be their turn.
Imogen, did you remember to bring Coppertone branded suntan lotion?
Yes I did. I brought along a bottle of Coppertone branded suntan lotion. We put it on our arms, faces, and necks before we cruised along the Caden River.
I just love the ride in a pontoon boat. I wish we can cruise on any river back in Colorado.
Are we at Darren's house yet?
Continue on River Road towards your destination. You have reached your destination. 2123 River Road.
Finally. I am home. I hope we can have another cross-country RV trip like this sometime.
Not for a while. We have cross-country RV trips every season, even Canada and Alaska. We'll have to wait until November 5th for another cross-country RV trip. Maybe this time we'll go across Canada and go all around the state of Alaska. We explored all national parks, so don't worry, we'll explore more landmarks, attractions, and even the Seattle Space Needle as well as downtown Chicago.
And Christina Grimmie and Imogen Heap, this is your new home. Your car has been delivered through Carvana.
In the meantime, you should gather all your luggage and personal belongings, take the time to thank us, and disembark our RV as we return the RV, pick up the van, and go back to our home in Fort Collins. We'll all see you all again next time.
It's nice going on cross-country RV trips with the Reese family, right, Asher?
Yes, Darren. But it's nicer to be back in our own house in Grand Junction, right on River Road.
I have to agree with Asher. Going on cross-country trips with another family, even when we have a bunch of house occupants, is nice, but it's nicer to be home and ready for the next one.
Microsoft Sam's Bible verse of the day reads, Psalm chapter 34 verse 4, I sought the Lord, and he answered me, he delivered me from all my fears.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down tonight. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up just like the sunrise. We gonna light it up.
EA Sports. It's in the game.